Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn atomic structure. Earlier on we have learned what is atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take place in a chemical reaction. So what made up atom? Atom is made up of subatomic particle. Okay, which is proton, electron, and also neutron. Alright, now what is proton, electron, and neutron? Let's look at what is proton, electron, and neutron. Proton is a positive charged particle. Electron is negative charged particle. Whereas neutron is a neutral particle. Means there is no charge. Okay? Proton, at the same time, proton, the symbol of proton we can write it as P, electron is E, and neutron is N. Alright? The third thing we learn about proton is the relative electrical charge. Relative electrical charge. For proton, it is positive 1, electron negative 1, whereas neutron, since it is neutral, the relative electrical charge is 0. Okay, common sense. And the fourth thing, which is a new thing here, is the relative mass. For proton, electron, and neutron, the relative mass for proton is 1. The relative mass for electron is relatively small, which is 1 over 1840. And for neutron, it is 1. Okay, please bear in mind that for relative mass, there's no unit. Why? Because it is a ratio, okay? We compare the mass of one substance to another substance, or one element to another element. So it is a ratio, therefore, it has no mass. No unit. Okay, the third thing is nucleus is located in the central of an atom. Okay, what does this mean? Nucleus. Let's say we have an atom A, okay, and just for an example, we have a nucleus in the central of an atom. Okay, let's say for example this is a nucleus. This is the nucleus of an atom. Okay, and it located in the center of atom. And in the nucleus, one very important thing is nucleus contain proton and also neutron. Okay, we have just learned earlier on proton and neutron, and both of them are located in the nucleus of an atom. We have a proton plus neutron. Okay, therefore nucleus has a positive charge. Alright, why? Because it contains proton and neutron, and proton is positive charge, neutron is neutral. So overall it is a positive charge. At the same time, most of the mass of concentrate in the nucleus. Alright, why? It is very obvious because as you can see, the relative mass for proton is 1 and neutron is 1. So total is 2, the relative mass. Depends on how many proton and neutron it have. Compared to electron, it is 1 over 1840, which is relatively small. So most of the mass concentrate in the nucleus. Now let us move on. Electron. Now let us look at where is electron. Electron move around the nucleus in its shell. Alright, what does this mean? Okay, earlier on we say this is the nucleus. Alright, so electron move around the nucleus in its shell, means there's one shell, a second shell. For example, sorry, the drawing is a bit out of shape. Just for an example, electron, we have electron here, electron. Okay, as you can see, electron move around nucleus in its own shell. This is their shell. Okay, this is the shell, second shell, for example, and it contains electron. And this is the shell. Alright, now let us move on a little bit more. Okay, the next thing about atom is atoms are electrically neutral. What does this mean? It means the number of proton in an atom is equal to the number of electron. Alright, this is very important. So for example, we have carbon atom, see, we have oxygen atom, we have magnesium atom, we have chlorine atom. Okay, for example, atom. Okay, given the number of proton for carbon atom is 6. Okay, the number of proton for oxygen atom is 8. The number of proton for magnesium atom is 12, and the number of proton for chlorine atom is 17. So find the number of electron. Okay, we have just learned that the number of proton is equal to the number of electron. Therefore, the number of electron for carbon atom is 6. Okay, the number of electron for oxygen atom is 8. It is same as the number of proton. The number of electron for magnesium atom is 12, and the number of electron for chlorine atom is 17. Now let us look at the electron arrangement. Okay, we have just learned that electron move around nucleus at its own shell. Okay, now each shell, they can hold a maximum number of electrons. Okay, there's a maximum number of electron each shell can hold. Okay, the rules is, in SPM, the rule is the first shell the maximum number of electron is 2 electron. Okay, and second shell onward, third shell, second shell, third shell onward, the maximum number of electron is 8. Okay, 8 electron. For example, now let us look at example of, I have drawn some of the atom here to make it easier. Now for carbon, given the number of proton is 6, okay, so automatically the number of electron is 6. Carbon have 6 proton and 6 electron. Now the first thing we have to know is nucleus. Okay, let's say this is a nucleus of carbon. So what is the electron arrangement? The first shell, which is this one, it can hold, first shell, it can hold 2 electrons. So 1, 2. So how many electrons left in the carbon? It left 4 electrons. So the remaining electron will go into the second shell, because the second shell can hold 8 electrons. So the second shell will have 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the electron arrangement, 2, 4. Electron arrangement for carbon atom. Alright, now for oxygen atom, we know that in oxygen there's 8 proton. Let's say given the proton number is 8, so automatically they have 8 electron is in oxygen. Now let's say this is a nucleus of oxygen. How we are going to write the electron arrangement? The first shell is this one. The first shell can hold 2 electrons, so 2. Alright, and we can draw it 2. So how many electron remain? It remain another 6. Okay, 6 electrons. So the 6 electron will fill up the second shell. Okay, why? Because the second shell can hold 8 number of electron. Alright, so this is the electron arrangement for oxygen atom. The third one, let us look at magnesium. Okay, magnesium, the number of proton is 12. Okay, number of protons, so the number of electron is 12. It has 12 electron in magnesium atom. Right, let's say this is the nucleus, magnesium nucleus. Okay, so the electron arrangement for magnesium is, for the first shell, it can hold 2 electrons, so we'll write 2. Okay, how many electrons remain? Okay, initially it has 12, so after we fill first 2 electrons in the first shell, we still have 10 electrons. So the remaining 10, we can fill 8 electrons in the second shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? So we will write 8. Okay, we even though it has another 2 more electrons, we cannot fill it in the second shell. Okay, because each shell only can hold 8 electrons. And the third shell, we will fill it another last 2 electrons, which we call it as electron valence. Alright, 1, 2, this is the third shell. This is the third shell. Okay, now one of the terms that we have to learn is valence electron. What is valence electron? Valence electron is the electron found at the outermost occupied shell of an atom. Okay, what does this mean? It means the electron in the last shell, outermost shell. For carbon, the valence electron for carbon is valence electron is 4. Okay, because the outermost shell has 4 number of valence electron. So for oxygen, the valence electron is 6, because in the outermost shell got 6 electron. And for magnesium, the valence electron is 2. Okay, why? Because the outermost shell occupied 2 electrons. Okay, I hope this video can help you to understand about atomic structure as well as electron arrangement, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.